move
this
to
one
it.
actually.
We're not just gonna.
Hi, my name is Kelly Klein. I'm a retired colonel out of the United States Air Force, retired in 1992. My wife and I moved out here. This was our dream home. We moved in 2010, only to find out from our neighbors that this is literally the hell capital of the world. And sure enough, 4 years later, 2014, our neighborhood got hit with a monster hailstorm, and virtually everybody in the neighborhood had to get new roofs. We had a year to do it. Everybody scrambled and used their own filters and ways of picking roofers. We chose about 3 or 4, narrowed it down to 1 or 2, called out representatives who gave us estimates, and Adam Esparza came out to our house. Adam gave us plenty of information on how to choose our roof, gave us some prices, and we chose ultimately to have Adam and Integrity Roofing and Painting come out and complete our roof, which they did later in 2015. We had a year, so we chose it. We chose to wait and let the A-team guys that Adam had come and do the great job on our roof, which they did. A couple of years later, we had a big windstorm, and my neighbor behind me was on his roof and called me and said, "Kelly, you're missing a couple of shingles." So I immediately called Adam and said, "Adam, I'm just about to leave town, but my neighbor tells me I've got some roof shingles missing from the wind." He said, "I remember you. I remember your name. I remember your home. I remember the kind of roof you have," which really impressed me. And he said, "Don't worry, Mr. Klein. While you're gone, I'll get out there and we'll take care of it." I was gone about a week, came back later, looked up on my roof. It was 100%. Adam had done a great job, as we totally expected him to do. Integrity Roofing and Painting. If we have another hailstorm, I'll definitely go to them first and won't even look any further. Thank you.